How to add a watermark on Capcut. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on Capcut. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Capcut and kindly click New Project, in which you just need to select the video files that you want to edit. And from this, you can add a watermark by simply clicking on the third options that says Text, and proceed by clicking Add Text. And from here, you can customize your watermark. So I'm gonna choose this Whizz. Also, you can change your font, the style of your text, including the color, or even the opacity of your watermark. So you can just adjust it depending on your desire. You can also customize the size of your watermark. And after that, you will see that your watermark or your text is now successfully added to your timeline. You can also adjust which part of the video you want to show your watermark. But that is just one way in adding watermark in Capcut. The next process is by customizing your own, since you can also customize using green screen. So in your browser, just download a screen picture and proceed on Capcut and edit the green screen. Click Add, and from here, we need to add a text that will serve as our watermark. So same process on text, kindly type or customize the watermark that you want. And after designing and customizing the watermark, just proceed by taking a screenshot of it. And after that, just go back to the main video and add the watermark that we just edited. So kindly select Overlay and plus button and select the media file that we just screenshot. And from here, the next thing that we need to do is to crop the screenshot. So we just need to crop the specific part of the image. And after that, just select the check button. And from here, the next thing that we need to do is to find and click the cutout options and proceed by clicking the chroma key, in which we need to select on the color picker the green color. And after that, just proceed on intensity feature, in which we need to customize the intensity of this picture. So after adjusting the intensity, the shape of the picture will disappear, and what is left is the watermark. And after successfully adjusting the intensity, you can also adjust the shadow of it, and proceed by clicking the check button. So that is just how to add watermark on Capcut. Thank you.